Drama opens up with Yoon Ji Rang, a brilliant and fearless con artist who lives by one rule: never scam the innocent, only the greedy. She runs a small but elite con team with two partners: James, a veteran swindler who handles disguises and manipulative acting, Myung Woo, a tech savvy, idealistic rookie who often questions the morality of their scams. Together, they carry out high risk cons targeting the corrupt businessmen, politicians, and chaebols Korean conglomerate hears. Their jobs are elaborate, involving fake identities, stage setups, and psychological traps that expose their targets' greed. Jirang poses as a spiritual healer and business consultant to scam a corrupt casino owner who launders money through fake charities. The con is thrilling: fake scenes, double agents, hidden microphones showing Jirang's razor sharp planning. During the heist, we glimpse flashbacks of Jirang as a kidnapped child in a locked room, a trauma that fuels her obsession with control and justice. After a successful con, she vanishes, leaving Guhu questioning her ethics. While James warns him, never believe everything Ji-Rang shows you, even her kindness. The trio's next target is Yu Myung-han, an art curator who steals artworks from young painters. Ji-Rang disguises herself as a naive art investor and sets up a fake auction to completely expose him. However, during the operation, a mysterious man recognizes Ji-Rang and calls her by her childhood name, linking her to the kidnapping case from years ago. This moment shifts the tone. Jirang's past might not be as simple as she claims. Meanwhile, Gugu starts digging into her background, discovering an old case involving a missing child named Lee Sura, identical in age, looks to Jirang. The next con involves a powerful loan shark and conglomerate chairman, Han Jusik, who destroys small businesses and drives the people to bankruptcy. Jirang plans a grand scam involving a fake luxury resort project lure him in. But things spiral out of control. Chairman's security chief catches wind of the con. James is ambushed and ends up in a coma, and Jirang barely escapes. The betrayal cuts deep. Wu blames Jirang for being reckless while she blames herself for losing the one man she trusted like family. From this point on, the drama moves from fleshy heists to revenge and a revelation. Through flashbacks and investigation, it's revealed Jirang was indeed the kidnapped child, Lee Sura, taken and sold into a criminal network led by the same chairman, Han Ju-sik. James rescued her years ago during a con and raised her as his own, teaching her how to survive by manipulating those who exploit others. Her entire journey as a confident queen is rooted in vengeance. She has been conning the corrupt elite tied to that human trafficking ring. Bohu realizes Jirang's scams are not only about the money, they are her way of avenging the powerless and exposing the Korea's corrupt elite. Jirang and Guhu reunite to take down Han Jusik once and for all. They orchestrate an elaborate corporate scam involving forged stock certificates, fake offshore companies, and a fake international merger. Jirang disguises herself as European investor while Guhu infiltrates as a systems auditor. Everything seems to work until Han reveals he knew her identity all along. He traps her in his office, forcing her to relive her childhood trauma. Just when all seems lost, James, now recovered, appears, having faked his coma to help from behind the scenes. He releases incriminating evidence to the press, exposing Han's crimes and clearing Jirang's name. Han Ju-sik is arrested, and the media praises Jirang's moral scams as modern-day justice. Jirang disappears once again, leaving behind a team and money. Months later, Gugu finds a postcard from Morocco signed "Once alive, always a dreamer." The final scene shows Yurang walking through a bustling market in disguise, smiling, suggesting she's still out there, conning the corrupt but at peace with her past. Confidence Queens tells the story of a brilliant woman who uses deception as a weapon for justice. Beneath the colorful disguises and clever scams lies a tragic story of trauma, revenge, self redemption. Each episode balances the witty, face fast-paced heists with emotional revelation about the Jirang's hidden past, blending the excitement of a crime thriller with the heart of a character drama.